Welcome to our next video of Science Class 9 Lesson number 4 Structure of Atom Part 3. So now start with our next topic, which is discovery of protons and neutrons by Chadwick. So our next topic is discovery of protons and neutrons by the scientist name is Chadwick. So Chadwick the full name here. Chadwick's full name is James Chadwick. So, अपना next topic है discovery of protons and neutrons by Chadwick. So Chadwick's full name is James Chadwick. Chadwick ਉਹਦਾ short name है यानी कि nickname ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. So the full name ਹੈਗਾ scientist ਦਾ ਜਿਹਨੇ discover ਕੀਤੇ proton ਤੇ neutron is James Chadwick. ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ intro ਪੜਾਂਗੇ discovery ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ. So firstly we will do the intro of firstly James Chadwick. यानी कि जेम्स चैडविक का थोड़ा सा इंट्रो पढ़ना है तो थोड़ा सा पढ़ना है प्रोटॉन्स तो न्यूट्रॉन्स तो हमें डीपली नहीं रिवीज करना डीपली अप्लाई करना सो जेम्स चैडविक discovered the neutron in 1932 by bombarding beryllium with alpha particles observing highly penetrating uncharged radiation consisted of neutron particles with a mass similar to a proton so this is the half discovery of यानी कि इसमें half explanation लिखी half में आप पहले explain करके फिर half लिखांगी. First है कि James Chadwick discovered the neutron in 1932 by bombarding beryllium. यानी कि जेम्स चैडविक ने न्यूट्रॉन डिस्कवर कीते 1932 विच by bombarding beryllium. So with alpha particles ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨੇ observe ਕੀਤੀ highly penetrating uncharged radiation consisted of neutral particles with a similar mass of proton. So this is the half discovery. Rest of the discovery I will write on the top. So with the mass similar to a proton, will write on the top again with the mass similar of the proton. Next, completing the model of atoms nucleus which is protons and neutrons. Anti-nucleus target, atom to nucleus target, protons and neutrons. You will write in the bracket for your understanding, which is protons and neutrons, and explaining isotopes. So this is the only the main intro of Chadwick, the scientist named Chadwick, which is James Chadwick, and the discovery of proton and neutron. Now we will do a full discovery of proton and neutron. So the next topic is discovery of protons. So the next topic is main topic, which is discovery of protons. Discovery of protons. So the scientist name is Ernest Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford had previously identified the proton as a fundamental component of atoms, fundamental components of atoms around 1917 to 1920. So Rutherford ने previously identify किए थे proton as a fundamental components of atoms. So Rutherford ने identify किए थे proton, but components किए जिन्हें protons identify किए थे as a protons of fundamental components of atoms. Fundamental components किए थे find किए थे वो भी atoms थे around 1917 to 1920. So Ernest Rutherford had previously identified the protons as a fundamental components of atoms around 1917 to 1920. So this is the full explanation of the topic discovery of protons. Now we will do the discovery of neutrons. So the next topic is discovery of neutrons. Discovery of neutrons. Now firstly we will do the explanation which come under the discovery of neutrons. So explanation start. The neutrons discovery explained isotopes and the stability of the nucleus, as it provided the necessary provided the necessary mass without adding positive charge. So the neutrons discovery explained isotopes and the stability of the nucleus as it provided the necessary mass without adding positive charge. So this is the full discovery of neutrons. यानी कि न्यूट्रॉन्स की डिस्कवरी ने एक्सप्लेन किए आइसोटॉप्स एंड द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस as it provided the necessary mass. So उन्हें provide किया necessary mass without adding positive charge. उन्हें provide किया necessary mass उन्हें provide किया पर add जो आप positive charge but आप positive charge add नहीं किए. So this is the full discovery which come under neutrons. So the neutrons discovery firstly explains the isotopes and then the stability of nucleus. Of the nucleus as it provided the necessary mass without adding positive charge. So this is the discovery of neutrons. Now we will do the experiment which come under neutrons. So nextly we will do the experiment which come under neutrons. The experiment which come under neutrons. So now we will do the experiment which come under the neutrons. So in this experiment there is total 3 steps. There is total 3 steps. First is setup, second is observation. First is setup, second is observation, and the third step is interaction with paraffin. So the experiment come under neutron. There is total 3 steps. So first step होगा setup, second observation, and third interaction with paraffin. So जो experiment है जो neutrons के अंदर होता है वो mainly 3 steps ने. So आप सारे steps explain करने ने. First is setup, second is observation, and third is interaction with paraffin. So firstly we will do our first step which is setup. So our first step is setup. Discovery of neutrons के अंदर अपना first step जो experiment के अंदर आया is set up. Setup. So James Chadwick used a polonium source to emit alpha particles So एरे अंडर अल्फा पार्टिकल्स केड़े होंगे एरे अंडर अल्फा पार्टिकल्स होंगे हीलियम न्यूक्लियस हीलियम nuclei is alpha particles come under this experiments setup towards first step of discovery of neutrons experiment is setup. So James Chadwick used a polonium source to emit alpha particles, which is helium nuclide, towards beryllium sheet. So James Chadwick ने यूज की थी एक पोलोनियम सोर्स टू एमिट अल्फा पार्टिकल्स. उन्हें एक पोलोनियम सोर्स यूज किया एमिट करने वास्ते अल्फा पार्टिकल्स विच इज हीलियम न्यूक्लियाइड टुवर्ड्स बेरिलियम शीट दे टुवर्ड्स. So this is the first step which is set up come under the first step of the experiment of the discovery of neutrons. So now we will do the second step, which is observation. Second step is observation. So our second step which come under this process, this experiment of discovery of neutrons, second step is observation. So start with our second step, which is observation. So observation के अंदर आए the bombardment. Observation के अंदर आए the bombardment produced a new highly penetrating uncharged radiation comma which was far more energetic than expected for gamma rays. So observation which आया the bombardment produced a new highly penetrating uncharged radiation. So in the observation, first point is the bombardment produced a new highly penetrating uncharged radiation which was far more energetic than expected for gamma rays. ठीक है, gamma rays नालों भी far नहीं. So gamma rays is very harmful rays for our eyes. So gamma rays is not the good rays. Gamma rays is very harmful rays for us. So now this is the second step, which is observation, that the bombardment produced a new highly penetrating uncharged radiation which was far more energetic than expected for gamma rays. So this is the second step which come under the experiment of the discovery of protons. Now we will do the third and last step of discovery of protons experiment, which is interaction with paraffin. So now do our third and last step is interaction with paraffin. Third step is interaction with paraffin. So this is the third and last step of our topic, discovery of neutrons experiment. So when the interaction with paraffin is occurred, then the radiation hit paraffin. So now what is paraffin? Paraffin is wax, hit paraffin wax। ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੈਰਾਫਿਨ ਵੈਕਸ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਰਿਚ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਵਿੱਚ। So the paraffin wax always rich in hydrogen. So H is the symbol of hydrogen, as we all know. So now when the radiation hit paraffin wax is rich in hydrogen, then it ejected protons with significant energy। So when the radiation hit, ਜਦੋਂ radiation ਨੇ hit ਕੀਤਾ paraffin wax ਨੂੰ, ਜਿਹੜੀ paraffin wax ਉਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ rich ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ hydrogen ਵਿੱਚ, it ejected protons with significant energy। ਜਦੋਂ radiation ਨੇ hit ਕੀਤਾ paraffin wax ਨੂੰ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ rich ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਵਿੱਚ, ਉਦੋਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨਸ ਉਹ eject ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗ ਪਏ ਇੱਕ significant energy ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। So this is the last and third step of our topic, discovery of protons। So our next topic is protons and neutrons in the nucleus। यानी कि next ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ orbiting ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਨਿਊਕਲੀਅਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਐਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੋਨਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੀਜਰ ਪੜ੍ਹਨਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਕਲਾਸ ਵਿੱਚ। ਅੱਜ ਲਈ ਬਸ ਆਪਣਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ। So thanks for watching and stay tuned for our more videos। So hit the like button and do comment on it। If you have any query, any doubt, just drop a comment. I will do my best to give you answer। And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this।